Hey guys, Midwest Picker here. This is a what sold on eBay video. Before I get started on that, Joey is sporting the new butthead mask, so he was thrilled to have that, let me tell you. Enoch is all excited. I haven't done a what sold on eBay video in a while. The holidays, Christmas, New Year's, all of that, it's kind of got the Midwest Picker household pretty busy. That's okay. My name is Dave. I'm a full-time RN, full-time husband, father, part-time reseller on eBay mostly, a little Macari, part-time YouTube content creator. This is a what sold on eBay video. I do this to help people that are new to reselling so they can learn on what to source, what to buy, so they don't waste their time, their money, and their resources, and they want to know what actually sells. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you, and Joey's in charge of the pictures today. It's usually Enoch. Sometimes it's me. This time, Joey's doing the pictures. So he's all excited. Of course, I don't know if that's a party hat or a dunce cap. I'm not sure. We'll see how this goes. So I'm going to tell you what I sold. I'm going to tell you where I sourced it, what I paid for it, what it sold for, and what it shipped for, or how it shipped. That gives you an idea on how to source items, what you should expect to sell them for. Just a ballpark. You might not get what I got. You might even sell it for more than I did. So it just gives you an idea. A lot of people that are new to reselling, they get kind of frustrated. They're not sure what to buy, what to source. So that's why a lot of resellers do these what sold on eBay videos, or what sold videos in general. I also do a lot of sourcing videos too. And speaking of videos, linked down below in the description, I have older videos, how-to videos, how to list, how to source, how to determine your platform, how to do research. So check those out if you're a new reseller. You want some tips and tricks on how to do things like that. Check those out. My email's down below. I love it when people ask me questions. You can ask me questions down in the comments, or you can email me, or you can go to MidwestPicker.com and you can connect to all my social media that way. I got my favorite I just got this t-shirt. It's one of my favorites. Let's see here. Look at that. If you've never seen the movie Fantastic Planet, it's a French film. It's animated. It's a little dated, probably 71, 72. I highly recommend it. One of the best sci-fi movies I have ever seen. Usually it's dubbed in English. I got the DVD. So yeah, check that out if you've never seen it before. It's an awesome movie. Maybe this will be an upcoming trivia question. Speaking of trivia questions, today is Tuesday, December 29, I believe. Thursday is New Year's Eve. I'm probably going to go live on New Year's Eve, maybe 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Mrs. Midwest Picker gave 4 nieces and nephews a Christmas present this year, which she does a lot, having like a slumber party at a local hotel that has a indoor swimming pool. So they're going to go there on New Year's Eve. So Mrs. Midwest, bunch of screaming kids, a little Midwest, they're going to spend the night, have a big slumber party, eat a bunch of candy, go swimming that night and the next day. So that's her Christmas present to them. And the best night that worked was New Year's Eve. She got the room super dirt cheap, but it's our anniversary too. So we're going to have to celebrate the anniversary a little early. She's going to be gone. I'll be a bachelor on New Year's Eve. So I'm like, why not just go live and do a live video? Maybe like 7 p.m. to 10 p.m., something like that. So come back here Thursday night if you're not doing anything, you're not going to a party. You can party with us. We'll have questions and answers, maybe trivia, maybe I'll give away prizes, I'm not sure yet. But let's get into what sold. First item is this vintage cup and saucer set. I'm not going to try to pronounce the name. It's from West Germany. You can look it up if you want. I had to use Google or maybe Webster's Dictionary online and hit the little microphone. And even hearing it pronounced, I still can't pronounce it right. But anyway, so I had several of these sets. I took a best offer of $15 if they bought 2 sets. That was their offer to me. I said, sure, why not? So I took it, $30 for 2 sets. So that's 8 cups and 8 saucers. Cost of goods is around $8. I think I got this from a local auction. I can't even remember, I think. So cost of goods about $8. Sold for $30, plus they paid priority mail shipping on top. So not a home run, but not a bad deal. Next are these Irwin driver bits. You put these in like a cordless drill, and there's Torx bits and Phillips head and all different kinds. These sold, I put them on sale. They sold for $14.41. Cost of goods about $4. Easily ships first class, super lightweight. I got these from Peter, the Craigslist Hunter. Little shout out for Peter. If you've never seen his channel, go check him out. He's got a fantastic channel. I bought this giant box of tools from him last year, and he bought like pallets and pallets of Lennox and Irwin tools, and he put them on eBay, sold them out of his brick and mortar store, and then he mentioned in a video that he would sell like a Priority Mail large flat rate box filled for $200 or $250. I can't remember. He only did like 13 of them, and I just jumped on it super fast. I was one of the lucky ones, and I got it. I was very impressed and happy with what he sent me. Just sight unseen, but he just packed it full of tools, and I've been selling them ever since. I probably have about 2/3 of those sold, and I got about 1/3 left. I sold another decorative tile. Sold it for $16.96. I put it on sale. The regular price, I think, was $19.95. I went to my secret honey hole thrift store, and I bought a whole box full of these tiles for $10. So my cost of goods is about 40 cents per tile. It barely ships first class. I mean, barely. Came in like 15.9 ounces. I had to put it in a box, an 8x6x4 eBay box, and then I had to cut half of the flaps almost completely off, minimal bubble wrap, and it just squeaked by first class. Sold another deer spinner. I love saying that. I love saying deer spinner because it's really not a deer spinner. I took a best offer of $9. I think I have these listed for $12.95. I went to a local restore, and they had a box full of these for 25 cents a piece. So I snatched like 12 of them, 15 of them. I don't even remember. There's a lot of competition though, so I did the rare free first class shipping. Like I said, $12.95 is my normal price, and then I eat like $3.85 in shipping. No big deal. My cost of goods was only $0.25, and then this guy offered me $9. So I'm like, why not? If you're wondering what a deer spinner is, this is an electric motor device you attach to a tree out in the woods, and then you put this plate on the motor, and then you put a container of like corn or something that deer will eat, and it's on a timer, and it'll dump the food out, and it's kind of like baiting if it's legal where you live, and it's just the plate, it's nothing else. So I figured if I can source these for $0.25, why not? This next one is really interesting. I bought a lot of ephemera from Brian, Mr. Buys a Lot. I don't even remember what I paid, $230, $250, $200, something like that. I think it was $230, I think. So it was just massive box of ephemera, which is vintage paper. Paper that's not designed to last. It's not like a hardcover novel. It could be photographs, restaurant menus, placemats, luggage labels, anything that's paper that was not made really well. That's what makes them rare and collectible, is because they're hard to find. Postcards is another one. Well, in this giant box of paper, and I did do an unboxing video. If you go back about 5 videos, I think the thumbnail says unboxing Mr. Buys a Lot or something like that. There was these composition notebooks, and there was 3 of them, and they had Batman on the cover. They're from the 90s, still in the plastic sleeves. All covers were different. Cost of goods, about $1 per item. There was over 200 items in this box. So I'm going to say my cost of goods was $3. I sold these, no offers. They just paid up $19.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. Easily went into a padded flat rate envelope. Next one is really cool. This is a Revell HO gauge train, like a model plastic building. Cost of goods $0. Good friend of mine that lives near me just gave me a bunch of train stuff for free. I tried to pay him. He didn't want to be paid. So he got them for free, and he just gave them to me. So I cleaned them up. They're kind of a barn find, so you have to clean them up a little bit. I took the lid off, and this building kit was still brand new in the plastic, had never been opened, never been used. This is vintage early 70s, maybe late 60s. So you can't beat cost of goods of free. And if you don't know Noelle, Farm Girl Scavenger, she is the queen of cost of goods or sourcing for free. She's very good at it. Go check out her channel. She does fantastic. She does about 10 times more in sales than I do. So she sources almost everything for free. So I'm trying to learn from her. I network with friends and family and neighbors. And if you do that, you'll be surprised. People will just give you stuff for free. They're either going to throw it away, but if they know you're a reseller, they'll just give it to you. I don't remember what this was listed for. I think it was $28.95 or $26.95. I got an offer for $20 plus first class shipping on top, so I took it. Next is another item from Brian, Mr. Buys a Lot. I won this like kitchenware lot for like $20 on his YouTube auction. It was salt and pepper shakers, a recipe box, little knickknacks and whatevers. Is that a word, whatevers? I don't think that's even a word. I think I got it for like $20 or $25. It was really, really cheap. So again, my cost of goods is about $1. This is a vintage cookie press. I guess you put cookie dough in this thing like a caulk gun. And it's got like Play-Doh little shapes at the bottom. And then you just press out cookies, whatever, I don't know. The box is in terrible shape. The cookie press itself was fine. It had the original owner's manual and all 12 of the little disc shapes. This sold for my asking price, $19.95 plus priority mail shipping on top. Now that I think about it, that lot had a lot of stuff in it. So cost of goods is closer to 50 cents because I got steak markers that say like rare, medium well with the long toothpicks, salt and pepper shakers, and all kinds of stuff just packed in this thing. And Brian is tricky too. If you win one of his auctions on his YouTube auctions, he's been known to throw extra stuff in there that you didn't win. Just that, you know, he's clearing out his warehouse so he can move down south. Sometimes he'll throw in freebies. So I don't know. I might have had a freebie in there too. So my total cost of goods is $16.15. My gross sales for this video, $130.27. That's pretty good. Yeah, I'd say that's pretty good. $16 into $130. Now that $130 is gross sales. You have to subtract fees and all the expenses and all that stuff. But still, that's not bad. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share it with people that you know are new resellers and could find this information helpful. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way when I upload a new video or go live, you'll get a notification. So that's the video, guys. It's Tuesday. Come back Thursday and join me on my live. I'll have some trivia. Yeah, what the heck, I'll give away prizes too because it's New Year's Eve. Why not? This dumpster fire is done. We're looking forward to 2021. That's it, guys. Until next time, see ya.